Welcome back to our Building for the Future video series, highlighting needed improvements and renovations to our schools. I'm Business Administrator David Oliveira, and today we're going to look at a multifaceted renovation effort at the Piscataway High School Susan B. Anthony building. This modernization and reallocation of space includes renovations to 6 distinct areas of the building. Today's video highlights 3 of the spaces that are being opened for student use: a new cafeteria dining area, additional cafeteria seating in a nook beside the SBA Commons cafeteria, and a state-of-the-art health office. An old, extra-wide hallway, commonly known as the Respect Hallway, has been narrowed to a normal hallway width. In doing so, we were able to add 1,850 square feet of usable space that will house the new cafeteria dining area.
Actually, where we're standing, back in April was a hallway, and we used to have to roll cafeteria tables out into the hallway, so students had to eat in a hallway. As you can see, we've been able to modernize that space and pick up actually a higher number of seats than we used to have. So where we could sit 125 kids and it was a little crowded, in this room alone, we're able to seat 175 kids now in a much more comfortable and welcoming environment.
The new dining area provides a modern feel with booth seating, high-top tables, and traditional tables. Maschio's Food Service will sell snacks from the cafeteria, which will help with congestion in the Commons cafeteria. An old alcove that housed unused lockers beside the Commons cafeteria has been replaced with new cafeteria seating. This cafeteria nook converted 550 square feet of underutilized space into a stylish dining area, making mealtime more comfortable and enjoyable for our students. The new health office offers more space for our school nurses with modern nursing facilities. There's a private exam room, 3 rest and recovery areas, and 2 private restrooms. This upgrade from our older, cramped nurses suite allows us to focus on our students' health and well-being.
It looks like you're stepping into your primary care physician's office. It's got space for 2 of our nurses to work together. It's got an exam room. It really is a modern space that we're able to care for our students in.
All of these renovations were done in conjunction with a larger ongoing project to remake our media center into a modern digital hub and esports center.
Now that the staff and the students and families can see the vision come to fruition, it's been incredibly rewarding, and I can't wait to kind of cut the ribbon and get everybody in these spaces really soon.
The Media Center and 2 new STEM classrooms will be the subject of a future video in the Building for the Future series.
This is a 50-year-old building, and we've been able to successfully bring a large part of it kind of into the 21st century and really reflect where education's going.
Piscataway High School students are already reaping the benefits of the cafeteria nook. The new health office and the new cafeteria dining area will open over the coming weeks. These investments will keep the high school on the cutting edge with a fresh and modern feel as our younger students reach the higher grades and begin taking advantage of the decisions we make today. Thanks for watching.